Hello, my name is Svitozar. I'm a software development student. I would like to demonstrate my Java application managing the electronic store. I'd like to show the functionality of this application. So in this application, for example, we can add user to the system. Just go to this option and enter the name for the new user. For example, enter the city, phone number. We enter in details for any user, and then we can see that new user with ID 1 successfully created. For example, we can remove user, so we can try that option. Please enter the ID of the user to be removed. We have only one user for now, so we can remove the user with ID 1. And we can see that user with ID 1 successfully removed. And now, for now, I'll create a new user. So, for example, list city, phone number. Okay, new user with ID 2 successfully created. Next option, display user info. For example, I'll take fourth option, display all user IDs. Available users in our store with ID 2, user with ID 2. So we can continue and display user info. Then we can see this record representing the user info. The next option that we can do in this store, electronic store, add laptop item. For example, we can add a new laptop to the electronic store inventory. For example, Asus. As a model name, color, price, screen size, SSD size, CPU model, for example Intel Core i5, okay, release year of the new laptop, 2023 for example. And we can see that new laptop with ID 3 successfully created. What we can do else? For example, we can add headphones item to the electronic store inventory. So I choose option 6, add headphones item. Enter the brand of the new headphones, for example Sony. Model name, it could be like that. Color, black. Price, connectivity type, wireless headphones. And we can see that new headphones with ID 4 successfully created. Okay, and then we can, for example, we can see all items IDs. So I'll choose option 9, and we can see that 2 items available in our electronics store with IDs 3 and 4. And also we can display item info. Choose option 8. For example, we can see laptops info, and we can see this record representing laptops info. The next option that we can do with our Java application is place order, for example. Okay, let's proceed with that. We need user ID placing this order, user ID 1, and we can choose the item to be ordered. For example, it could be laptop item with ID 3. Sorry, user ID 1 is not present in the list. Okay, we can check user ID, display all user IDs. Okay, user with ID 2, yeah, and we can check all item IDs. Okay, and now we can place order for user with ID 2, and laptop item we have is ID 3. Okay, and we can see that new order with ID 5 has been successfully placed. And one option that we have in our application is remove item. For example, we want to remove item headphones. I'll check its ID 4. Okay, and we can remove headphones from our electronics store inventory with ID 4. Yes, and we can see that item with ID 4 successfully removed. Okay, now we can check available items in our store. Okay, it's only laptop with ID 3. For example, next option, return item. So the user can return item if it's not ordered. For example, I'll choose this option, user with ID 2, item 3, it's laptop. So we can see that item is returned successfully, and we can check user info if he has active orders. So we can see that Alice has no active orders for now. For For example, we can place order for our user with ID 2. For example, she's ordering headphones. Okay, I need to check item ID, headphones ID, option 9, display all item IDs. Yes, item ID 3. Okay, we can go with place an order. So user is ID 2, ordering headphones item with ID 3. Yeah, okay, and now we can see that new order with ID 6 has been successfully placed. And the last two options that we have in our electronic store application: save database to disk and load database from disk. So save database to disk writes the data from a text file. It's items txt and users txt. For now we can load database save database to disk, option 12, and we can see that saving to disk is completed successfully. We can check our text files. For items we have a laptop item, users. Also we can see that Alice records, and she has active order. So we successfully saved data to our text files. And to show the last option, load database from disk, I need to rerun my application. So I'll choose option 0, exit. Okay, and now I can go again to my application and just check my text files. It's okay. And now I can load database from disk. So I'll choose option 13. And as we can see, reading the file is completed successfully. So we just check this data in our application. For example, display all user IDs, option 4. And now we can see that user with ID 2 is in our store, and we can check items available on our store. So just display all item IDs, item with ID 3. Okay, and we can check display this item info and ID of the item 3, and we can see that we have a laptop item in our electronic store inventory, and that this laptop is ordered currently by user with ID 2, user Alice. And that's all with my application. Thank you for watching.